In today's video, I am going to teach you how to crop image in circle shape in Canva frame. By the end, you'll have a clean, circular photo you can use for profiles, presentations, or social posts. All done inside Canva with just a few clicks. Start by opening Canva and either creating a new design or opening an existing one. If you are starting fresh, pick a size that suits where the image will be used, like a social post or presentation page. Working on a page with a clear background helps you see the crop edges more clearly, so you can place your circle exactly where you want it. Next, add the circle frame. Go to the Elements tab on the left. Type frames into the search bar and look for the basic circle frame. Frames are special placeholders designed to hold images and crop them instantly to a shape. You'll know it's a frame when you see the picture style icon inside the circle. Click it to add it to your canvas, then resize or position it as needed so you have room to work. Now bring in your photo. Head to the Uploads tab, find your image, click it, and drag it over the circle frame until you see the frame highlight and the image snaps into place. When it snaps, the photo immediately conforms to the circle. If you need to, you can resize the frame first to match the crop size you are aiming for. This can make positioning faster and more precise. To fine-tune the crop, double-click the image that's inside the frame. This opens the image within the circle so you can adjust it without moving the frame itself. Click and drag to reposition the subject, or use the corner handles to scale the image up or down. Focus on keeping important details like faces or logos centered and away from the edges to avoid accidental clipping. If you see Canva Smart Crop options, try them to quickly test tighter or wider crops. They're helpful for finding a balanced composition. Take a moment here to check the edges for unwanted cutoffs and ensure the background looks consistent within the circle. When you are happy with how it looks, click outside the frame to lock in your crop. To save your image, click Share at the top, choose Download and pick your format. PNG is great for higher quality and crisp edges, while JPG is typically smaller for easy sharing. Confirm your selection and download your circular image, ready to use anywhere you need it. That's it, simple, clean, and professional. Thanks for watching.